Hey vlog. We're gonna feed the horse. She's back there. She's wild. We're gonna feed the horse and go for a walk and sit by the river. It's really cloudy today, but we can still have a nice day and still enjoy the outside. I'll set you right here. Got the horse feed in the back of a old car. But I'm really probably gonna miss being able to do all this stuff when I move. I'm back home with my family for a few months. I never thought that I would ever be again. So even though there's a lot of crazy going on that led me here, it is also a blessing because I get to spend time with all my family and be on my family's farm, which I have missed since I lived here. There's some pretty cool stuff on our farm. For example, bathtub watering hole. Nothing actually drinks out of this at the moment. We just have the water hose laying in there. But I think that's pretty cool. Let's go. I'm gonna sit here in my little spot by the river and relax and watch Ruby run around and hunt for mice and listen to a little Morgan Wallen, perhaps, and sort through my thoughts. Good morning vlog. It's the next day. It's Wednesday. I've got to get some work wrapped up from my old job and then I'll be done with that. And then I have a meeting today. A few little bits and bobs. Other than that, it's gonna be a good day. Okay, we're making some progress. Not sure what color I'm gonna make the game pieces, but I think I like it with blue. Blue skies. Super pretty out today. I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm about to do a quick meeting and then I'm gonna get outside for a bit. Back in the same spot, trying to spend the last few hours of sun outside. So we're gonna chill over here for a little bit. Again, I think this is gonna be a little bit of a shorter vlog than usual because I think think I need a few days before I vlog again. Me and my brother swam in this little creek this summer. He floated all the way down it, which was fun. And probably do it again next summer. It was really fun. My mom and her brothers were younger. They used to have big parties down here on the farm. I really missed out on that when I was younger. I was too much of like a goody two-shoes, or I was embarrassed to like grow up on a farm, and I completely missed out. Like, I didn't realize what I had. I could have had so much fun with my friends, but maybe I can still get my friends together now and we can have fun out in the field, have big bonfires. My uncle once set a hay bale on fire, and it was kind of underneath a power line, so that that was kind of dangerous. It kind of seared the cords a bit, but everything's okay. I'm gonna put you up here, and I think you're gonna fall because I'm gonna drive back to the house, but I'm driving on a private road, so don't worry, no accidents here. But I was thinking on my walk back to the car that once I move, I'm moving in a few months. After I move, I'm gonna have to come back and vlog in like May or June. That is the best time on the farm and at my house. It's my favorite time of year. It's so pretty. Everything's green, everything's beautiful. There's lightning bugs, all the flowers are bloomed, there's peonies everywhere. It's beautiful. So I'll have to come back, make a trip back here in May for sure, or June. And yeah, I grew up in literally the coolest place, and I wish I would have enjoyed it when I was younger more. I'm gonna stop right here. I wish I would have taken more time when I was younger to enjoy it. I did when I was in school, my later years of school and high school. Like my senior year, I really took everything in, but it was very private to me. Like I didn't have, I think I said, like I said before, I didn't bring my friends around or like have them get to experience it too. And I wish I would have experienced it with other people that I love. I have my family to enjoy it with now, so that works great. But yeah, I grew up in the coolest house. I didn't pick it, and it's such a blessing that I got to grow up on a farm with so much land, and I was embarrassed about it when I was younger, and that's so dumb. So dumb. I was embarrassed about a lot of things. I got over it once I went to college, but I thought like I learned later on like everyone's families have issues, and I thought that mine was way too crazy. They're not. I love my family. So yeah, missed out on a lot, but now I know how I feel about it, and I cherish this place so much now, and I get to experience it. Okay, I don't know what I was saying. Long story short, I grew up at the coolest place. At least now I can film it and share it and bring my friends here now and have little cookouts and bonfires and parties and things. So yeah.